Programmers are said to be some of the laziest people on the planet, but that doesn't have to be a bad thing. In the process, programmers have discovered how to let computers even automate some of the task of programming. You can just type a small piece of code and let the computer repeat that task over and over and over hundreds or thousands or even millions of times. And the best part? Computers never get tired, they never complain, and they never get hand cramp. The programming structures that allow us to do this are called loops, and Python makes working with loops so easy that it's crazy. In this section, you're going to learn all about loops in Python, and this lecture is going to give you an overview of what's to come. We'll start off by checking out while loops by making a simple number counter. While loops are conceptually very simple, but practically very powerful. While loops have applications everywhere, but they're particularly prominent in video games. We'll then immediately apply the concept of while loops to building a program that will simulate the insatiable curiosity of a 3-year-old by asking you questions over and over and over again. It's going to be a lot of fun. After that, we're going to take a look at my favourite type of loops, for loops. For loops are incredibly powerful when combined with data structures that we covered in the last section, and they allow you to loop through thousands and thousands of pieces of data in the blink of an eye. They are absolutely incredible. Here you'll learn how to create for loops and also how to do list comprehensions, a powerful way of creating lists using for loops and logic, all in one line of code. Finally, we'll wrap up this section with another project where we'll make a Pig Latin translator. This is going to be a funny translator that will basically convert our words into funny sounding gibberish, unless we understand how to read it. This is going to be a great project to make, to not only test your knowledge of Python, but to share with your friends for a few laughs as well. So this section is basically going to give you magical powers. No joke. You'll be able to do in one line of code what will take you thousands or even millions to do otherwise. Need I say more? I'll see you in the next video.